Let's create your own Solana token in under 1 minute without any coding. Here's how it goes. Step 1. Go to the website called mintcraft.io. This is the platform that you can use to mint your own Solana token. It is audited, secure, there is no hidden fee, and it is way cheaper than all the other options out there. Step 2. Connect your wallet. Make sure that you have any wallet. I have Phantom installed, so I will connect my wallet. Once you connect your wallet, it should reflect your Phantom balance. Make sure to have some Solana in your Phantom wallet to cover the transaction fee as well as pay the fee to mint your token and some authorities. The next step is to fill in some basic information like token name, symbol, supply, logo, description. You have the options to revoke the token authorities like revoke freeze authority, mint authority, and then you can fill in the socials and we should be good to go ahead and create a token. So in this example, let's create a Mintcraft token. Here we go. Symbol is going to be Mintcraft as well. I'm going to keep it in the caps just to show you the difference. Decimals, let's keep decimals at 9, but make sure if your supply is over 10 billion or 100 billion, make sure to adjust the decimals accordingly. If your supply is 10 billion or 100 billion or more, make sure to select 6 as the decibels. Otherwise, just keep it as 9. In this example, I will be minting 1 billion Mintcraft token as an example. The best part about this tool is that you can actually visualize the overall supply number. Otherwise, you have to count the zeros manually, which is quite annoying. Here we go. So we have 1 billion Mintcraft token, and the symbol is going to be Mintcraft as well. Next, we will be selecting the logo. Go. So in this case, I have selected a Solana logo. Make sure to use the recommended size 200 by 200. You can use any online free tool to optimize your logo like Canva, etc. Make sure it's under 2 MB. Just use the best practices for best possible results. Description. Make sure to fill in description. It is vital for your token success to have some kind of description. In this case, I'm just going to use this as a test token. Looks great. Next, we have to deal with token authorities. So revoke freeze authority is by default turned on, and I would highly recommend you keeping this on. This is actually locked and you cannot turn this off. This is essential for you to create a liquidity pool, which is the whole purpose of minting your own token. We have the mint authority revoke here as well, which comes at zero point 0.1 Sol, cheaper than any other tool out there. And I would highly recommend to keep this as revoked. It is essential for your token's success and building the trust. Next, make sure to fill in the socials. In this case, I will be filling in the socials for mintcraft.io. Remember, this is the free step and optional, but I would highly recommend doing this since you're not paying anything extra. And this meta always helps in your token's overall success. You have an option to select up to 5 tags here as well. For example, let's just say meme coin, airdrop. Make sure to select at least 5 tags, maximum 20 character limit. In this case, I'm selecting token, NFT, cat, dog, and we have 5 tags here. So once you check everything, the total fee is going to be zero point 0.4 Sol. Once again, it is way cheaper than all the other options out there. And this include all the token authorities revoked as well. So your token is good to go and deploy. Once you make sure all the information here is correct, simply click on create token. Here we go. Simply sign the transaction and confirm. And once you do that, it's going to take a few seconds to show and deploy your token. Token successfully created. Boom, here we go. This is something I really like about Mintcraft. It has a dashboard, and you can always come back to the dashboard and see the details of the token. The token address is here, transaction signature can be found here, the supply, token symbol, and everything you can find here. Let's go to Solana Explorer and see if our transaction is successful. Here we go. You can see the logo that we just created, as well as the token along with the metas that we selected. So everything looks good. All the information, socials, and everything is here, which is amazing. So our token is ready to be deployed on the blockchain. It's already live on the blockchain, but you just need to create a liquidity pool, which is going to be the next step. All the token securities have been revoked while we were minting the token. As you can see, the mint authority is revoked, freeze authority is also revoked. The next step is adding the liquidity pool. You can do that by Radium, Jupiter, or Orca. I can create a separate video and show you how you can create a liquidity pool on DEX so that your token will be visible here on DEX Screener and can be traded on a DEX directly. You can also go to the dashboard, and in the dashboard section, you will see all the tokens that you have minted, if there were any pending, if there are any confirmed. For example, I have tried to create a few tokens here, and if you click on the mint address, you will come back to the dashboard window, which is pretty cool. And you can always verify the information that you have entered and get the contract address. If you drop down your wallet, you will be able to see the tokens that we just minted. If you want to verify the smart contract, simply go view on SoulScan and you can always verify it's the same token. The mint authority and freeze authority is revoked as well, which is exactly what you need to create your own liquidity pool. Lastly, if you have any questions or if you face any difficulties, simply scroll down and send an email on this email address, and the support team will get back to you ASAP with the questions. So simply go ahead, mint some tokens, launch them, make money. Cheers.